Final classes in Python 3.x something Guido isn't telling me? This question is built on top of many assumptions. If one assumption is wrong, then the whole thing falls over. I'm still relatively new to Python and have just entered the curious/exploratory phase. It is my understanding that Python does not support the creating of classes that cannot be subclassed, final classes. However, it seems to me that the bool class in Python cannot be subclassed. This makes sense when the intent of the bool class is considered, because bool is only supposed to have two values, true and false, and I'm happy with that. What I want to know is how this class was marked as final. So my question is, how exactly did Guido manage to prevent subclassing of bool? Related question, why I can't extend bool in Python?
You can simulate the same effect from Python 3.x quite easily. We'll give the following output.
You could do this only via the C API. Clear the pi_flags_base type fit of the tp_flags of the type object. As example, bool cannot be subclassed, Python code on GitHub. But int can, Python code on GitHub. Because pi_flags_base type is set in tp_flags.
In Python 3.6, you should block subclassing without using a metaclass like this. In Python 3.8, you should also use the final decorator to induce type-checking errors. Type-checking is done by programs like MyPy, which are optional.
Final and @final types are now available in typing_extensions. I wrote an article covering almost every part of this new type, this URL. Some examples with classes. And with constants. Also, we have a small library to write final classes that are also checked at runtime. This URL. Features. No metaclass conflicts. No runtime overhead. No dependencies. Type hints included. Designed to be as simple as possible.